To save your photos or videos in gallery, all you do is open up your Instagram app and go to your profile. And after opening your profile, on the upper right corner you have these three lines. Click on that and go to settings, and under settings you will find an option that says account. Click on account, and under account you will have an option that says original posts. Click on original post, and here you will have the option which says save original post, save posted photos, save posted videos. So make sure that you have switched on. If you have switched on these options, then your photos or videos will be directly saved to your gallery. But if you have not switched on, then your photos and videos will not be saved to your gallery. So that's it. That is how you save your photos or videos from Instagram to your gallery. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.